Here we are with Bio 182 doing a dissection of a grasshopper. This is order Orthoptera. We'll start with internal anatomy. Here we have the trachea. If we work ourselves medially, we'll find gastric ceca. And then even more anterior, we find ourselves with a crop. If we go over here and peek underneath the reproductive organs, we can find all these little strings. Those are Malpighian tubules. In terms of internal anatomy, that's all we have for the grasshopper. Starting with external anatomy, we find ourselves working posteriorly with the ovipositor. The abdomen starts at this location and goes posteriorly. We have terga, or a single tergum, and sterna, or singular sternum, where we have a spiracle. We'll continue our investigation with the posterior portion of the thorax. We're looking at the wing. There's the forewing right here. Then we'll flip it forward, and we can see a hind wing hiding there. And we'll flip it forward, and then underneath we see a tympanum, and that's the world's most annoying hind wing. There's our tympanum right there. We'll check out the structures of the legs. Here we have a pretty clear coxa. Am I on screen? Here is coxa. Trochanter right behind it, and then femur, and then tibia, and then tarsus. Plural is tarsi. And if we look at the three segments of the thorax, here we have the prothorax, the mesothorax, and the metathorax. Going further anteriorly, we find ourselves with the compound eye, the antenna. If you look real close and kind of pretend, you can see a simple eye right there, and there's supposed to be another one right in the middle. Yeah, you can see that one if you look real close, and then again, kind of pretend. We're going to examine the mouth parts now. We'll find ourselves with the labrum. I'm going to take the labrum and move it up and hopefully expose the mandibles, and underneath you can see the mandibles. Creepy. And then the bottom lip is called the labium, and I'm moving it down there. You can see the two labial palps attached. And then here we have a maxillary palp, and then if he cooperates, we can expose. There they are. We can see two maxillae. There's one. I just moved it. Anyway, that little flap right there is the maxilla. This concludes the tour for Phylum Arthropoda, order Orthoptera.